Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Darren and this is Darren's Corner. On this channel, I talk about lifestyle, travel, and food. And if this is your first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I used the lentils wrap that I made in my previous video. If you've not seen that video, please click on the link. You're going to get the video to the lentils. So this is my lentils that was frozen and I just brought it out. I put it in microwave for about 1 minute and now I'm making my first sandwich. So I'm going to be showing you how I make 3 different wraps or sandwiches using my lentils wrap. So this is the first one. What I've just added is the turkey breast and some mixed grains made up of spinach and lettuce, and I'm just gonna be wrapping this up, and that's the first wrap that I've made. And you can put this, you can either eat it this way or you can decide to put it in your grill. So I'm just gonna grill this a little bit, and this is the finished look, and that is the first wrap using my lentils wrap. So it's very nice. It's a quick and easy high protein breakfast option for you. So this is very versatile. It's easy to make. You can make the lentils wrap in batches, and I just took a bite out of this, and that is what it is, and that's just awesome for breakfast. I'm gonna make the second one. On the second one, I'm gonna start off by oiling my pan, and I'm gonna be adding in some chicken breast into the pan. And once I add in the chicken breast, I'm gonna saute this on low heat and would season it. Of course, you're gonna be adding some garlic powder, some I'm adding some yaji spice because I want to give it that spicy flavor, and then I'm gonna also be adding some seasoning cube and of course some salt, and I'm just gonna continue to stir this on low heat till it cooks. And so I'm gonna allow this to cook. I'm just adding in some salt now into the mixture. You don't want to make it to have a lot of nice flavorful taste. I'm gonna allow you to enjoy this while I go ahead and cook my chicken breast. So next I'm going to be adding sliced onions into the mixture, and I'll continue to stir this till I saute the onions as well. And then I'm also going to be adding in some carrots and some red bell peppers and habanero into the mixture. finished adding all the veggies, and I'm gonna be adding in a little bit of Cameroon pepper. I always love Cameroon pepper. The taste, it gives it that unique taste. It has some unique taste to the food, and I absolutely love that. So I'm gonna be added just a tablespoon of, like, 3/4 tablespoon of Cameroon pepper, and I'm gonna continue to saute this on low heat. Always. And so this is ready for serving. I'm gonna just set this aside, and then I'll bring out my wrap. This is another day, and I'm just gonna be adding in my sauteed veggies into the mixture, and yeah, and I'm gonna fold my wrap as well. Smiles and in the song. Whoa. In the smiles and in the song. And so that is it. That is another wrap for another day's breakfast. So it's absolutely delicious. Like, that's another way to make your breakfast wrap using lentils wrap. So we're going to be making the third wrap this time around, and this is just using your normal cabbage. So cabbage, purple cabbage, and white cabbage. Put it in one side of the wrap. I'm going to be adding in some air fried sausages into this as well. Sorry, I totally forgot to film this properly, so you're just gonna help me manage that. And yeah, so I transferred it, and this is it. And then I'm gonna be obviously adding in some avocados. So I'm adding in avocados. I'm spreading avocados on half of the lentils, and yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and spread out the avocados. I love avocados. I think they're actually healthy fat, and it's good for you. I usually take avocados most times at home for either on my toast or on any form of wraps I'm making. I think it just adds that fatness into your food, and you don't have to use a lot of mayonnaise or all these creams or dressings or your salads if you have in my mayonnaise. So I'm just adding a little bit of that. This is Thousand Island on the cabbage, and I'm just gonna fold this, and this is our third wrap. I think I actually prefer the lentils wraps on grilled. When you grill it, yeah, it's fine, but I think I prefer it this way. Sometimes if you're not very careful, when you put it in the grill, you might lose the shape. So I just prefer to just eat it this way. And this was absolutely delicious. It was a nice, breakfast, nice full breakfast. The thing about lentils is it keeps also has some little bit of fiber, so it keeps you full. And that's it, guys. Those are 3 ways you can use your lentils wrap to make lentils, lentils wrap for breakfast. And if you love this video, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you. Bye.